Today, we are talking about two very important features that have been available since StrategyQuant X Build 114. They are optimization profile and system parameter permutation. If you truly understand and use these two tools properly, you will stop chasing the best backtest and start building strategies that actually have a chance to survive in real market conditions. At the end of the day, there are only two questions that matter. Does my strategy have a real edge? And can I realistically expect it to work in the future, not just in the past? Most traders never answer these questions correctly because they are focused on the wrong numbers. Let me explain what I mean. When you optimize a strategy, you usually get hundreds or even thousands of different parameter combinations. What do most traders do? They sort by net profit and pick the top result. It feels logical. It feels smart. It feels efficient. But in reality, it is often the most dangerous decision you can make. Let me give you a simple analogy. Imagine you test 100 different fishing spots on a lake, and one of them gives you an incredible catch on one specific day. Does that automatically mean it is the best fishing spot on the lake? Or could it be that you were simply there at the perfect moment, with the perfect conditions, by pure luck? Optimization works exactly the same way. When you test enough combinations, one of them will look amazing. But amazing does not mean robust. And robust is what makes money in the long run. This is where optimization profile becomes extremely powerful. The idea behind optimization profile is very simple, but very powerful. Instead of focusing on the single best result, you analyze all optimization runs together and evaluate the overall behavior of the strategy. Think of it like evaluating a company. You would not judge a business based on its single best month in history. You would look at consistent performance over time. In StrategyQuant X, this is done automatically for every optimization, whether it is a simple optimization or a walk forward. Inside the results section, you will see a tab called Optimization Profile. Now, here's what I personally look at as a trader. First, I check what percentage of optimization runs are profitable. If only a tiny fraction of parameter combinations make money and the rest lose, that tells me the strategy is very sensitive and fragile. A strong strategy should work reasonably well across a wide range of parameters, not just one lucky setting. Second, I look at the average net profit across all optimizations. If the average is negative, that is a clear warning sign that the edge might not be real. Third, I study the distribution of profits. If results jump wildly from large profits to large losses, it usually means instability. But if the distribution is smooth and consistent, that gives me more confidence. Then I compare the best result with the average. If the best run is far above everything else, it is probably an outlier. And outliers are not something you should build your trading business on. Finally, I look at the 3D optimization chart. If I see smooth areas and wide plateaus, I feel comfortable. If I see sharp spikes, I know I am looking at something that can break easily in live trading. Most traders are attracted to spikes because they look impressive. Professionals look for plateaus because plateaus survive. The real power comes when you use optimization profile as a cross-check. In StrategyQuant X, there is a cross-check called opt, profile and system parameter permutation. You can activate it and define specific pass or fail conditions. For example, you can require that a certain percentage of optimizations must be profitable. You can require that the average net profit is positive. You can limit how far the best result can deviate from the average. Now your strategy is forced to prove itself statistically, not emotionally. You stop asking, how high is the peak? You start asking, how wide is the foundation? That shift alone can save you months of frustration. Now let's talk about system parameter permutation, or SPP. This method takes things even further. When StrategyQuant builds a strategy, it searches for parameter values that fit historical data. That is normal. That is how data mining works. But fitting the past does not guarantee future performance. SPP says that instead of trusting the single optimized backtest, you should evaluate the median performance across all parameter combinations. Why median? Because the median represents the typical outcome. It ignores extreme winners and extreme losers. It shows you what is normal. Inside StrategyQuant X, in the System Parameter Permutation tab, you can see median net profit, median drawdown, median Sharpe ratio, and other statistics. This is extremely important. If your backtest shows 50,000 profit, but the median across all parameter combinations is close to zero, then you know the impressive result is not typical. It is exceptional. And in trading, you do not want exceptional, you want repeatable. You can use these median values directly in your filtering process. When configuring columns or filters, you simply select Optimization Profile and System Parameter Permutation as the source. Now you are filtering strategies based on median performance instead of peak performance. You can also display median values in a databank, so you see realistic numbers when comparing strategies. This changes how you think. You stop being impressed by beautiful curves. You start respecting statistical consistency, and that is how professional traders think. There is one more important point. Both Optimization Profile and SPP assume that you are testing all possible parameter combinations. In reality, that is only possible when you have very few parameters. The more parameters you add, the more combinations exist, sometimes millions or even billions. That is why StrategyQuant allows you to limit the maximum tests. But this also teaches an important lesson. Keep your strategies simple. Every additional parameter increases degrees of freedom and increases the risk of curve fitting. In trading, simplicity is not weakness. It is a strength. You can use these median values directly in your filtering process. When configuring columns or filters, you simply select Optimization Profile and System Parameter Permutation as the source. Now you are filtering strategies based on median performance instead of peak performance. You can also display median values in a databank, so you see realistic numbers when comparing strategies. This changes how you think. You stop being impressed by beautiful curves. You start respecting statistical consistency, and that is how professional traders think. If you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. Do not fall in love with the best backtest. Fall in love with robustness. Optimization Profile helps you see whether your edge is broad and stable. System Parameter Permutation shows you what typical performance really looks like. Together, they protect you from false confidence and emotional decisions. If you want to go deeper into building robust algorithmic strategies, join the StrategyQuant community. The link is in the description. And if you want to test these features yourself, you can register for a free 30-day trial of StrategyQuant X. The link is in the description. Make sure you are subscribed, because most viewers are not, and this channel is focused on serious traders who want long-term results. If you like this video, please share and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any future content. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!